Welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this channel was created to enable people to have financial freedom by learning different ways to make money online in 2022. To further support this channel, please subscribe and leave a like button to my videos. Well, today we would be looking at 3 ways to make money online 2022. Stay tuned because you would not want to miss the last part. 1. Test and review products. Brands and businesses are always in need of people to test and review their products and provide feedback before they launch to the public. Electronics, toys, food, and beauty companies are among the many that require frequent product testing. Most sites will allow you to keep the product for free and in some cases will pay you for your feedback. In some cases, you can sell untested products for a profit, depending on the company's terms and conditions. To get started reviewing products, you can sign up to market research sites such as product testing. You'll need to fill out a questionnaire to determine which target markets fit your demographic. You can also get paid to test digital products, known as usability testing. Here you'll have to check online products such as websites and apps and may have to record yourself using the products. You can find digital product testing opportunities on sites such as User Testing, Web Usability and Testing Time. 2. Create a killer app. The brains behind today's viral apps earn millions every year. Amateur coders are now in abundance, but creating a killer app is a lot trickier. For an app to go viral, it needs to be something innovative, exciting and most importantly, universal. Take TikTok, for example. In 2019, the online video sharing platform became the most downloaded app on the Apple Store, surpassing its far older predecessors like YouTube and Instagram. The app allows users to create short, entertaining video clips using filters, background music and audio from films. It's funny and addictive and appeals to a vast audience with all kinds of interests. Your best bet at creating a trending app is to target a younger audience. Increased phone use is still strongly associated with the younger age bracket. -41% of TikTok's users are aged 16 to 24. To hit maximum download potential, create an ethical concept that appeals to youngsters first. 3. Uploading documents online. Uploading documents online is one of the best ways to start making money in 2022, with little or no experience at all. Some websites can pay you up to $500 daily to upload documents. Uploading documents doesn't necessarily mean personal files. It can be ebooks, pictures and so on. Websites like docprofits can pay you $29 per documents downloaded. Like I said, this is actually the latest and most improved way of making money online, which requires no experience to get started. You can make a lot of fortunes from this. You can check the description below to learn more. Thank you for watching this video today. I really hope you got some insights from it. And you can start making some money for yourself in 2022. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.